Hey Pixie lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a hair mayonnaise treatment using this ORS Hair Restore hair mayonnaise. I'm not sure if you say hair restore, but yeah, I think it is hair restore. Before applying the hair mayonnaise as you see me doing, I first washed my hair and then using shampoo, and then I rinsed it off and towel dried my hair. So the instructions or the directions basically say apply a small amount to wet hair, which is what I'm doing now, and then comb through for even distribution, cover hair with plastic cap, and let process under a warm dryer for 15 minutes, rinse and towel dry. So this is me just processing the hair mayonnaise under a hooded dryer. I made sure that it was warm, or my hair dryer was warm. Some people may not have this. You can improvise, guys, just as long as there's heat to the hair. After that, I rinsed my hair. I always use cold water when I apply treatment, or when I rinse my hair in general. I use cold water, and then I applied some serum just to seal in some moisture so that my hair does not or my scalp does not get dry and flakes, right? And now what I'm doing is I'm preparing to mousse my hair, to put on some mousse. So I section my hair and comb it in the direction that it's supposed to go, and then I apply my mousse as you see me doing now. Since I had used heat to process the hair mayonnaise, I decided that the best thing to do is to let my hair air dry. So I wrapped it and let it air dry overnight. The following day I woke up, and to start the styling process I applied some serum all over the hair, and then you see that at the back it's not as smooth. That's because I just didn't sleep right. Now I'm going in with my PIxie Noxie 2-in-1 hair curler and straightener to style my hair. It's at 180 degrees as usual, and I start at the back. You'll see me starting at the back, moving on to the sides and then the front. This straightener, however, is not available as yet for purchase, but as soon as it's available I will let you guys know. This video, I think this video and my other 2025 videos will have a description of where you, not a description but more of a link of where you can go to purchase the PIxie Noxie hair straightener. I will also put up more videos just showing you guys how to use the PIxie Noxie hair straightener so that you can get the best results from your straightener, or from your PIxie Noxie straightener once you've purchased one. I think I'll also dedicate a video just explaining the qualities of the PIxie Noxie straightener, showing the straightener in its entirety so that you can actually see how it looks like and what it does. We are almost at the end of the video. I am now combing my hair. I'm done with the curling part. I'm just now combing everything into place. This is where my pixie takes shape. I comb it with a white tooth comb, and then I also do my edges. I don't do anything drastic. I just put on some edge control and I just push the front part, or push my brush or comb, because I'm using a white tooth comb, comb my edges to the back of the hair, but not straight, in a wavy type of way. But it's really simple. I don't do anything too crazy. I also use my hands, guys. I think you've seen this. I use my hands a lot when I'm doing my pixie, because you can't really get it right with the comb only, but you must be a person who knows how to fiddle with their hair. And this is the finished product. This is how I look. I'm a bit mad at the lighting. I didn't realize it was this dark. My apologies, guys, but in future I'll just take note to post brighter videos. But until next time, toodles.